understanding the colorful world of clownfish. Clownfish, often recognized as the star of the popular film Finding Nemo, are a favorite species among aquarium enthusiasts. Their vibrant colors, fascinating behaviors, and unique characteristics make them stand out among other marine species. Despite their small size, these fish hold a significant place in the marine ecosystem and possess a multitude of intriguing traits that continue to captivate scientists and hobbyists alike. Diving into the biology and anatomy of clownfish, it's clear to see how they've adapted to their unique lifestyle. Their bodies are generally small, reaching up to 7 inches and shaped for quick maneuverability around the coral reefs where they dwell. Clownfish possess a single dorsal fin, a trait which provides stability in the water, and their thick, mucus-coated skin offers protection against the stinging tentacles of sea anemones. One of the most striking features of clownfish is their vibrant and diverse coloration. Ranging from bright orange to yellow, black, or even a combination, these colors serve a crucial role in their survival. This display not only aids in camouflage against predators, but also plays a significant role in signaling and communication between clownfish and other marine species. Clownfish are known for their unique characteristics that set them apart from other marine species. One such trait is their ability to change sex, a process known as sequential hermaphroditism. This ability ensures the survival of their colony in situations where the dominant female perishes. Another remarkable characteristic is their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones, in which both species benefit. Understanding the clownfish's habitat is key to understanding the species itself. Clownfish are found in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, particularly around coral reefs and lagoons. They live among sea anemones, forming an extraordinary symbiotic relationship where the clownfish provides food for the anemone, and in return, the anemone provides protection for the clownfish from predators. Clownfish play an integral role in marine ecosystems. They help maintain the health and vibrancy of their homes, the coral reefs, by consuming algae and detritus that can harm these delicate structures. Clownfish also play a part in the food chain, serving as prey for larger marine creatures. Over 30 species of clownfish have been identified, each with its unique color patterns, sizes, and behavioral traits. The most recognizable of these is the orange clownfish, also known as the common clownfish or anemone fish, highlighted by its bright orange body, white stripes, and black edges. Perhaps the most intriguing feature of clownfish is their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. These marine creatures have a mutualistic relationship in which both species benefit. The clownfish receive protection from predators, while the sea anemones get nutrients from the leftovers of the clownfish's meals. Clownfish exhibit fascinating behavior patterns. They are known for their territorial nature, often protecting their chosen anemone home fiercely. Their unique waddle swim, a side-to-side motion rather than the typical forward motion of most fish, adds to their charm and appeal. Reproduction in clownfish is also unique, as they are protandrous hermaphrodites, meaning they can change their sex. In a group of clownfish, usually, the largest fish is a dominant female. If she dies, the dominant male will change sex and take her place. This remarkable trait ensures the survival of their species even in the face of adversity. Clownfish have a unique way of communicating with each other. They employ a range of auditory and visual signals to send messages to fellow clownfish. These signals help them coordinate movements, establish hierarchy within their group, or warn others of approaching predators. Their advanced communication skills are a testament to their social nature and ability to live in harmony within their communities. One of the major threats facing clownfish is the degradation of their natural habitats. Pollution, climate change, and destructive fishing practices are all contributing to the destruction of coral reefs. As these habitats diminish, so too does the population of clownfish. The preservation of these ecosystems is vital, not just for the survival of clownfish, but for countless other marine species that depend on them. Clownfish hold significant importance in the diving industry. Their vibrant colors and unique behavior make them a favorite among divers and underwater photographers. However, the popularity of these creatures has led to an increase in unregulated diving activities, causing further harm to their habitats. It's essential that the industry adopts sustainable practices to mitigate this damage. The cultural significance of clownfish cannot be understated. Their portrayal in the popular animated film Finding Nemo has made them a household name. While the film has brought much-needed attention to the importance of marine conservation, it has also led to an increase in demand for clownfish as pets, putting further strain on their wild populations. Keeping clownfish in home aquariums is a responsibility that should not be taken lightly. They require specific conditions to thrive, including appropriate tank size, water quality, and food. Additionally, they're best kept with certain species of sea anemones, their natural symbiotic partners. Proper care and maintenance are crucial to ensure the health and well-being of these captivating creatures. Clownfish have a very specific diet that is largely made up of small crustaceans and algae. They use their strong jaws to crush and consume their food. This diet not only helps them to maintain their vibrant colors, but also keeps the sea anemone, their host, clean by eating up the leftover food and harmful parasites. Not just a pretty face, clownfish are also masters of camouflage and mimicry. Their bright colors and patterns, which may seem conspicuous, actually help them blend in among the deadly tentacles of the sea anemones. This ability to mimic their surroundings not only helps them evade predators, but also allows them to sneak up on unsuspecting prey. Clownfish have incredible adaptation skills that enable them to survive in the harsh conditions of the ocean. They are one of the few species that can live safely among the venomous tentacles of sea anemones. This is a result of a special mucus layer on their skin that prevents the anemone from recognizing the clownfish as a potential food source. The lifespan and growth of clownfish are fascinating aspects of their biology. They can live up to 10 years in the wild, and their growth is largely dependent on their social status. The most dominant female in a group grows the largest, while the males remain smaller. If the female dies, the largest male changes sex and grows to take her place. Clownfish play a crucial role in coral reef conservation. They are a keystone species, which means their presence or absence has a significant impact on the ecosystem. Their symbiotic relationship with sea anemones helps to maintain the health of the coral reefs. Moreover, their feeding habits help to keep the reef clean, contributing to overall reef health. The relationship between clownfish and other marine life is nothing short of intriguing. They live in a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones, providing food for the anemone while the anemone offers protection. Clownfish also interact with other fish species, often displaying a level of boldness rarely seen among other aquarium species. The social structure of clownfish communities is a fascinating study in underwater sociology. Clownfish live in hierarchical groups dominated by a single female, the largest fish in the group. When she dies, the dominant male changes sex to become female, showcasing an incredibly unique social dynamic. Pop culture has embraced clownfish in a big way, primarily through the Pixar film Finding Nemo. This animated depiction has played a significant role in shaping public perception of clownfish, raising their profile considerably. However, this popularity has also led to increased demand in the aquarium trade, creating both opportunities and challenges for conservation. The economic importance of clownfish in the aquarium trade is significant. They are among the most popular species for home aquariums, thanks to their vibrant colors and relatively easy care requirements. However, wild clownfish populations have been impacted by this demand, leading to overfishing and habitat destruction in some areas. Scientific research has also benefited from the study of clownfish. Their unique reproductive habits, social structure, and symbiotic relationships offer valuable insights into marine biology and ecology. Research on clownfish has also contributed to our understanding of broader environmental issues such as climate change and oceanic health. Climate change has a significant influence on the lives of clownfish. Rising sea temperatures and oceanic acidification, both consequences of climate change, can adversely affect clownfish's ability to reproduce and survive. Changes in their natural habitats, including coral reefs and sea anemones, also affect their well-being and population. Overfishing is another serious threat that clownfish face. Due to their popularity in the aquarium trade, clownfish are often captured and sold, resulting in a decrease in their wild populations. The overexploitation of these vibrant creatures can disrupt the ecological balance of marine environments and endanger their survival. Conservation efforts have become increasingly important to protect clownfish populations and their habitats. Various organizations and researchers are working tirelessly to understand the needs of clownfish, develop sustainable fishing practices, and create awareness about their importance in the ecosystem. These efforts are crucial in preserving the biodiversity of our oceans. The gender-swapping phenomenon exhibited by clownfish is intriguing. They are born as males and have the ability to change their gender to female when the dominant female of their group dies. This unusual trait, unique to clownfish and a few other fish species, assures their survival in changing circumstances. Coral bleaching is another critical issue that affects the clownfish population. This phenomenon, caused by increasing water temperatures, makes corals eject the algae they need for survival, leading to their death. As clownfish rely heavily on corals for their survival, the increase in coral bleaching events poses a severe threat to their populations. Breeding clownfish in captivity presents a unique set of challenges. Despite their popularity in the aquarium trade, clownfish have complex reproductive habits that make breeding them a delicate process. Their unique life cycle, which includes the fascinating phenomenon of sequential hermaphroditism, requires a precise set of environmental conditions to trigger successful spawning. Careful control of lighting, temperature, and water quality is necessary to replicate their natural coral reef habitat. The clownfish is more than just a beautiful and fascinating marine creature. It is also a symbol of oceanic health. The presence of a thriving clownfish population is often an indicator of a healthy coral reef ecosystem. Conversely, the decline in clownfish populations can signal problems in the marine environment, such as pollution, overfishing, and the damaging effects of climate change. Clownfish are not only prey, but also have to deal with various threats underwater. They have a limited number of predators due to their protective relationship with sea anemones. However, larger fish, eels, and sharks pose a significant risk. Additionally, clownfish are also susceptible to parasites and diseases, which can decimate populations if not properly managed. The medicinal value of clownfish is an area of scientific research that is slowly gaining recognition. While the fish themselves are not used in medicine, the symbiotic relationship between clownfish and their host anemones could have potential biomedical applications. Researchers are particularly interested in the mutualistic relationship and the potential for understanding human health and disease through this lens. Lastly, clownfish play an important role in ecotourism. Their vibrant colors and unique behaviors make them a popular attraction for snorkelers and scuba divers. As such, they contribute to local economies in regions where marine tourism is prevalent. However, this increased human interaction needs to be carefully managed to ensure it does not negatively impact the clownfish or their delicate coral reef homes. The cultural importance of clownfish extends beyond their representation in popular culture. Traditional folklore in many coastal communities has long recognized the clownfish for their vibrant colors and unique behaviors. Some cultures consider them good luck charms, while others view them as protectors of the sea. This rich cultural heritage further emphasizes the need to conserve and protect these fascinating creatures. The impact of pollution on clownfish and their habitats is a growing concern. Industrial waste, plastic debris, and oil spills harm both the clownfish and the coral reefs they inhabit. Pollution can lead to a decrease in food sources, destruction of their habitats, and an increase in diseases. It is imperative to address these environmental challenges to ensure the survival of clownfish. Clownfish are truly an aesthetic marvel. Their vibrant colors and playful personalities make them a favorite among photographers and marine enthusiasts. Their unique relationship with sea anemones, their graceful swimming patterns, and their ability to adapt to various environments only add to their allure. This aesthetic appeal, however, should not overshadow the need for their conservation. Often referred to as the unsung heroes of coral reefs, clownfish play a crucial role in maintaining the health of these ecosystems. They help control the population of certain pests and provide nutrients for the coral. They also contribute to the overall biodiversity of the reef, making their presence vital for a thriving marine ecosystem. As we look towards the future, the role of clownfish in our oceans cannot be underestimated. The health of our oceanic ecosystems depends on the well-being of species like the clownfish. With increasing threats from climate change, pollution, and overfishing, focused conservation efforts are needed. The future of clownfish is a reflection of the future of our oceans and our planet.